How to fix a VGA cable with no display or no signal. First, check if your numlock light turns on and off. If it works, check the VGA cable connection from your PC to the monitor and ensure it is properly connected and inserted. And remove the other monitor cables except for the VGA cable. Next, turn off your monitor and remove the power cable and hold the power button for 5 seconds to reset the monitor. And try turning it on to see if it works. Next option, use a different type of cable to get a display, then go to Device Manager, select Display Adapter, select your graphics card, click Update Driver, search automatically for drivers, then click OK and Close. Next, try to update your graphics card software. Right-click, select AMD software, go to Settings, and click Check for Updates. After updating, restart your computer. If it still doesn't work, reconnect your working display cable, open the AMD software, click Gaming, then Display, then Overrides, Read and Accept, and disable HDCP support. That's it. Restart your computer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.